don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my fans Wethu TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Marumo Gallants 0, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Ubaba Umnigen Wagamtunga.
Hey, Steve.
Ninjani Zemalami?
I am fine, and football is fine. We have reached the crux of the league. We have reached now we are where we are saying now there is competition, and Kaizer Chiefs has brought some competition.
Yes, Zemalami.
Yeah, if you look, I always talk about Aiden McCarthy.
Sure, Zemalami.
If you can look, even during the first half when they were under pressure,
Yeah.
there were no balls dropping in front of the defense. He was fighting for those balls.
Sure.
He made sure that before the ball bumps, he is there.
Yes,
He
sir.
attacks the ball, and he was starting those attacks. It means Kaizer Chiefs coaches and interpreters are watching Amafans Wethu TV.
Yes.
Because I've been saying this for a long time, that the pairing of Quinika and Miguel is not working for me. They need McCarthy in the center and then put someone on the wing.
Yes, Zemalami.
Orlando Pirates presence is very important to Kaizer Chiefs.
Gahle.
Look at what this boy did today in Ndlovu when he came on.
Yeah.
Because Chiefs started the game without a defensive midfielder,
Yes, Zemalami.
which means they started the game without a father figure.
Sure.
And a house without a father
Yeah.
is weak.
Very.
So Marumo Gallants was dictating the match because there was no father figure at Chiefs.
Yes.
But once the father figure said, "No, I'm back from where I was," Ndlovu was back
Yeah.
on the field, and then everything was fine.
Waqaqa.
Waqala kwadlalwa manje kwabonakala ukuthi kuyadlalwa kwacaca.
Yes, Zemalami.
Manje njengamanje i-Sundowns
Yes.
ngiyambona ubaba kaHunter lapho uyaqhaqhazela uyaqinisa yena kodwa ngicela nimgade ukuthi engawi. Yeah, he may fall at any time.
From number 1 position.
Ikhosi lifikile.
Yeah, from number 1 position.
Ikhosi lifikile.
Yeah.
Stibo,
Yeah.
how many times did I say ikhosi lifikile?
Twice.
Twice.
Yes.
You were not listening.
No, I did.
3 times.
3.
Yeah.
Okay, because
So I like the way Marumo Gallants is playing.
yes, sir.
They are a well-coached team.
Yes, sir.
But as a father of a development, as someone who is running an academy,
Yes, sir.
who is running Newcastle Football Academy, I could see. I'm not a coach, but I'm there with the coaches when they are coaching. There was a cross, a very nice cross that was crossed, but still, it was coming from the left, and he headed it to the left. He should have taken the ball back to where it comes from,
Yes.
according to the basics. Then they could be leading.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Say them.
and also when the second half started, Marumo Gallants was overexcited about the score and the control of the match. They were overexcited, and that led to them now enjoying the game. I don't like this thing of enjoying the game. I want you to enjoy the game by trying to grind a result. So they were even now playing backwards.
Yeah.
Into isho hore bane ba bapala bane ba sa sebetsa and Ndlovu akena Ndlovu ngikhuluma isuthu manje Ndlovu akena abapala bhola.
Yes, Zemalami.
Lastly but very important,
What?
ngiyabacela manje amabhakaniya ukuthi indaba le kaMaxowu manje
Yeah.
asiyeke. Ibizwa ngebhenta ngoba izinto ezimbi manje seyibizwa kahle hlele anti cyber attack.
Yes.
Sengicela ukuthi bemiyeke uMaxowu ngiyamazi ngeke ngafika nabantwana bami siyovakashela iChiefs. Sasingayili ukuyodlala nayo, sasiyodlala nenye team. Sase savakashe natural.
Sure.
Ngathola ukuthi lo mfana loya umfana olungile wathi ephuma sasingashonga ukuthi siyeza. Uyena waphuma kuqala. Wapaka imoto yakhe eceleni komgwaqo abafana ababemmemeza bethi hey Mr Long and Short. Wapaka imoto eceleni komgwaqo wehla wezakiba abafana abachawula bafika nabanye bajoyina. Uright kakhulu yamfana kuphela iweakness yakhe. Ile kaMbule ukuthi iChiefs uyithanda kakhulu uyabona
ngithola
ingakho azoyenza lento kaMkoko iChiefs uyithanda kakhulu kodwa yena umuntu olungile lento lena ungathini mawuzothola ukuthi mhlambe ugogo kaMatlou noma uma wakhe noma uanti wakhe sebeyagula baguliswa ukuthi siyamhlasela online ngicela ukuthi mabhakaniya asimiyekeni manje uMatlou usezwile le anti ibhlungu ngiyayazi mina yake yangilandela ngicela ukuthi siyekeni manje sibukeni ibhola Pirates Chiefs Sundowns ngasho ngathi mangabe lama team awu3 ephila ileague idinga iKaizer Chiefs ephila iyaphila njengamanje kodwa ake bezama ukuthi bevula ama defense ngoba uma ngabe iChiefs iwina ngo-1-0 okusho ukuthi la beyodlala nabo makungenzeka bekore iyodlala idraw mabengakore lesibili iyodliwa kufanele ukuthi manje ilwele ukuthi ayithole amagoli amabili ingawini ngegoli elilodwa sonke isikhathi ngoba igoli elilodwa lihle liyu3 points liyafana no5-0 kodwa liyingozi Kaizer Chiefs coaches try to practice more now on how to score goals if you can't do that Stibo has my number. Talk to him. He will contact me.
Ungabafundisa Thamalanga.
Ingani mina ngisebenza ngedevelopment ngiyalithanda ibhola. And angilwi neChiefs ngiyibhakaniya kodwa angilwi neChiefs ngoba ibhola into yokujabula. Uma ngabe ibhola lingasakujabulisi liyeke hambe yodlala umlabalaba.
Thank you Thamalanga.
Ngiyabonga.
Asibonge Thamalanga.